But what is it that most people drink in bars these days?
Reasonable.
You know, there was a time when it was Red Stripe.
Yes, that's true. Reasonable.
So the alcohol form has changed.
Yeah.
It's changed from beer to straight rum. That's interesting.
Yeah.
That's
So what do you like to drink?
Me, right now, I'm on a diet.
Okay, so you
I don't drink a lot. I mean, I might, you know, occasionally. I'm not a drinker. Occasionally.
Okay, so you mostly like drink juice and stuff?
You know, these days I try to avoid juices, so I do coconut water
Oh,
and water.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, because you know it is. You have to take care of the health.
Okay.
I
So
have
you
to
want to
take
buy
care
your
of
first water for you?
I can't refuse. Of course, I'll have a cold.
And just get some for
You see? I get things bought from you on the campaign. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Take care.